everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your email address on Canstar. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go ahead and sign in to canstar.com.au, and once you are logged into your account, mouse over to your profile name at the top right corner and click on Edit your profile. In the Edit Profile page, scroll down to Email Address and erase the current email address you are using for your account and enter a new one. Once you enter the new email, click on Save Changes. You will now need to verify the new email. Open up the new email inbox you are trying to update to. Click Open the email from Canstar. Once you receive the email, click on the Verify My Email button. Once you verify your new email address, you will then end up in this page. You can now sign in using the new email that you just updated to every time you try to log into your account. That is how you can easily change your email address on Canstar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.